Hey, Bison Band, I have for you a challenge today. We're going to be naming notes on our music staff, these spaces, and I'm adding a space above and a space below. So, the same way we just did with the lines in the activity before, we're going to do with the spaces as well. Make sure you read your instructions as always. We're completing 50, 10 errors allowed. You got plenty of hints at 25. And you have all cows eat grass. That's your helpers for inside your music staff with your spaces. Below your music staff, but touching the bottom line, you are going to be introduced to F today. Above your music staff, but touching your top line, you are going to be introduced to B today. And again, let's scroll down and let's look at a couple of these together. All right, right away, it starts us off with one of our new notes. In our instructions, we mentioned a note that lives below our music staff, but is touching the bottom line is F. Below our music staff, touching our bottom line, F. And all cows, C. All, A. All cows eat grass, G. All cows, C. All cows eat, E. There's our new note right there. That is our, if we scroll down here, I tell you in our instructions, the note that lives above our music staff that is touching the top line is B. Above our music staff, touching our top line, is B. Remember that you can always access your hints. You have 25 of those to check your answers. If I didn't cover a question that you have in my video here today or in the instructions, remember to use your ToneSavvy support request form in Google Classroom or visit my office hours to ask your question. I am here to help. Remember to always submit your best effort anytime you don't finish an activity, and always submit your results when you do. Good luck, game on.